back, guys. This is Building a Million One Day at a Time. So a little while ago, I posted a stock video of me buying $10,000 worth of stocks. Today, I want to do an update on that and see kind of where those stocks are at and how they're doing. We've had tremendous red in the stock market the last week and a half since I purchased these stocks. So I was kind of shocked today to look at them and see that they were actually up. Now, not all of them are, but we can look at them here. Most of them are doing fairly well. They've gone up. Luckily, that was mainly because I bought them while they were still dipping, and I kind of got into the bottom of that market. And so some of those have recovered quite a bit to bring up those that haven't. So we'll start with Vivint. Vivint was the first one on that list. We purchased it at $11, and it has gone up since then to $14.18. So we had 91 shares there. We have a profit of $289.38 as of right now. Okay, next one was Mind Medicine. This one we bought at a little higher at $373. It is still down at $324, so we're down about $134 on that because we bought 268 shares because it's a lot cheaper. The other one, next one we bought was ChargePoint. ChargePoint, we bought 50 shares at $19.51. And today they are trading at $21.98, so that did give us a little profit of $123.50. Okay, Palantir, man, Palantir has been up and down. I should have bought some more of them. I did on Webull, but I didn't on Robinhood. So this is just the Robinhood stocks. We bought it at $20.83. Right now it's down a little bit at $20.16, so we're down $32.83 on Palantir. CCIV, we bought at $18.75. We bought 53 shares, and it is down as well at $17.80. So we're down about $50.35 on Churchill Capital. Clove, CLOV, we bought 125 shares at $7.42, and they're up right now to $7.56. And their earnings report is coming out in about 40 minutes. So if they have a good earnings report, they might go up. Right now, the market's pretty crazy, but we're up on Clove right now at about $17.50 overall. EXPI with the housing market. Now this one, man, I did end up buying some more of this one on Webull, not on Robinhood on this account, but I bought 35 shares at $27.97. My original wanting to purchase was at $30, and it ended up purchasing that morning at open at under 30, so $2.03 under what I was hoping to buy it at, and I think it fell down to like 23 something, and I ended up buying some more at 24 on the dot. But so on this one we're down about $1.25 per share, so we're down 43.05 on that one, which is okay. I mean, I have a feeling, again, all these stocks, my potential was over the next year they would go up drastically, so that's why we bought these specific ones. Fisker, we bought 83 shares at $12. That one is still down, and we're down at about $141.10 on that one. That one's our biggest losers as of right now. Shift was up yesterday with their earnings report. They had good earnings and good revenue, and they were actually up over $8 yesterday. They've come back down a little bit, so we're just on a small profit of just under $20 on them overall. Microvision still hasn't purchased. I set my limit a little too low, I guess, on them, but I'm still holding that. So if it does hit that $12 mark, it will purchase. Today it's been anywhere from, well, yesterday I should say, it was anywhere from $12.33 to $12.50. Today it was up into 13, so I probably should just bought it at $12.33, but you just never know again on that. And then the last one is Plug Power. We bought 42 shares of that. We bought them at $23. They've been down below. They were at like 19 for a minute, but they're up to $24.68 today with a profit of $70.56. So over here, I've done kind of a net growth. We're up $122.24 overall. I didn't end up buying that full 10,000 amount because some of these ended up purchasing lower than the limit price. And when they do that, they buy that many shares at whatever price it was. So they were under that $1,000. So I think we were at like 98 something, but we're at $122.24 growth. That percentage growth is 1.24%, which isn't bad for a little over a week to gain 1.2%. And our net income overall, we're just under that 10,000 mark. So overall, we did have a horrible market the last few days, but it's starting to recover a little bit. I expect a little bit more downside over the next couple months, but then hopefully going into August, September, possibly we'll see some up growth with these higher earning stocks, and we'll see a lot larger growth, maybe even 50 to 60% growth. So if you enjoy following the stocks, make sure that you subscribe to my video down below. Smash that like button if you enjoy watching about the stocks. I've put some links down below in the description as well to Robinhood, Webull, and Blockfi. If you want to get involved in the stock market, you can go ahead and use my link and get a free stock on Robinhood. If you put $100 into your Webull account, you'll get 2 free stocks up to $1,800, and you can get started on this stock journey as well. This is Building a Million one day at a time. We'll catch you next time.